Waylon was kidnapped. Although I got the heart, this was bad. Sure, I got the heart. Sure, I saved the planet. But what does that mean without a friend? What happened? Without the heart, our village truly did fall apart. All it is now is a mess. Without the heart, it all ends. What are these? Zombie eggs? They're hatching. No! I knew it would be a mess of monsters. Get back! I can't face 9 zombies at once. Thunder! The village I knew is gone. No. I might be dead. No. No way. The village I knew is gone. The only chance of saving my village is to put the heart back. Then maybe it'll go back to normal. Editor Karen, only 75% of you are actually subbed. This is where the heart was. I need to restore it. The heart has been restored. Soon, I think, the fire should go out. See? Maybe now that the heart is restored, we have a chance of rebuilding society. And although it is slim now, I believe that it's possible. I restored the heart. Now what? I have no idea where Waylon is. Greetings! Who is that? I am Celix. You thought you defeated me? You are puny. You are weak. You may have restored the heart, but that was just the first step. Saving your friend will be harder. You may have ruined my plans, but now is my retaliation. You won the battle. Let's see who wins the war. If you want to find your friend, come to the desert. There, your final trials awaits. You are not saving your friend.